Here I have VIVO V3Max, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Release both keys as soon as VIVO logo pops up, and let's wait for the recovery mode. So as you can see, the VIVO recovery just pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So in my case, let me choose wipe data and choose here wipe cache partition. The device is wiping the cache files. If you would like to wipe cache partition again, let's tap the wipe cache partition. You have to do it to confirm the operation and accomplish wiping the cache files, so it's important. If you don't agree to wipe caching right now, you don't accomplish the operation. The device is erasing just temporary cache files, so other personal files are safe. Let's tap OK to this information. And now you can simply quit this mode. Let's choose OK here. Let's go back, tab Reboot System, and let's wait until the device will show you the home screen. Alright, so that's it. Now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.